Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Tyson. We back with another video, man. Today, y'all, we just gonna be replacing my windshield wipers. Nothing too crazy. The old ones on there got a little streak on the windshield. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that junk looks crazy. So that's what we gonna do today, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Go to 200 subs. Can y'all give me right 200 subs? Let's get crazy. And yeah, let's go. It's a little vlog day today. Currently at home, AutoZone. I said Home Depot. I'm bugging. At AutoZone right now. About to get some tire. One thing is called tire caps. Yeah, some tire caps because mine are old, so we can get some new ones. See what happens. Get y'all home. Get back to the car. Alright, y'all, so I got the tire caps. Just wanted to get some fresh ones. I got some on there already, same ones, but they're a little, worn out. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see in the future. Trying to upload a little bit more. Just don't know what to really upload. See the car right there. We're gonna get those windshield wipers on, these things on, and probably go to the car wash because this thing is really dirty right now. As you can see, it's real dirty right now. Can't really see it, but I don't know what that is. Look like some coffee on there or something. I don't know. Somebody put coffee on my joint. That's crazy. But yeah, look at the back. The back is dirty. Look at that. That's disgusting. The windshield wipers. We're gonna try to put these things on, man. I don't really know. Like, it's the first time I ever did that, guys. So don't come for me in the comments section, please. It's the first time. It's the first time that I'm ever doing this. Sight, man. I know what I'm doing.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
That's crazy. Look at this. Oh, this is what I was trying to show you earlier. Look at this thing. Oh my god. I'm the windshield wipers. This thing is dirty, so I'm gonna get these wipers on, and yeah, I'm gonna catch up. This is the windshield wipers. We're gonna put that boy on, man. We're gonna see what it do. You know what y'all think about this hoodie, though? You know what I'm saying? You know what y'all think about that, man? Oh. Anyways, we're gonna get these on and these on. I know a lot of y'all boys don't know how to do it. Y'all gonna clown me for not knowing how to do it, but I know a lot of y'all don't know how to do it either. Here we go. Oh, shoot. Oh, what that is. Texas. Oh boy.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I finally figured out how to do it. It's pretty simple, which is crazy. It took me a while. So just gotta snap it in and get the other one. Shit. Get the old one. Yeah. Just scraping the windshield up, man. That's why you gotta change your blades, boys. Gotta change your blades. Driver's side. I believe the driver's side is always longer than the passenger side. Take note of that, my people. Take note of that. Throwing all the trash on the ground. Don't be like me. Don't be like me, guys. Let's see if I can get this side. Basically, right? Oh, this one's a little different. Oh, it's the same. Basically, you want to squeeze this side in right here. and it just comes right out, just like that. Just like so. Just like so. You want to do the same thing on this side with the new one. Hook this side in, squeeze these ends, push them in, and there you go. You got you some new blades, guys. You got you some new wiper blades. Now, you see this one right here? This right here? That's what the caps that I'm replacing. Kind of look purplish, faded out and stuff. So we're just gonna replace them with the new ones. All right, so I thought I was recording the whole time. Just freaking put in the freaking windshield wipers, right? And I wasn't recording the whole freaking time. So crazy. I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like now. And I changed these, you know, they look better now. They were all faded out, the old ones were faded out. Tires are really, wheels are real dirty. I gotta go to the car wash next. But see, got the new ones in. Look pretty good. Yeah. So we're gonna head to the car wash next. Shit, almost tripped. Trying to give y'all some positive motivation, saying be in nature, you know, touch some grass, connect with the earth, stuff like that. And it wasn't recording. So I guess it just wasn't meant to be. But I'm gonna go to the damn goddamn car wash, and I'm gonna catch y'all there. You guys what it looks like on the inside. Put this up. Let's see how the new wipers is going. Ooh. Yeah. You know how the old ones be sounding like you spraying some Windex? Yeah, that's how my old joints sound. I ain't like that. And it scratched the window like real bad. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's real good. Oh yeah, that's good, man. I hope that freaking that streak comes off from the old one. I really do, cause that's crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm headed to the car wash now. I'm gonna catch y'all there. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm on the way to the car wash now, man. Man, y'all let me know in the comments, man, what y'all want to see. Ask me some questions about what y'all want to hear about me, the car, whatever. You know, it's a little vlog video. I'm not doing nothing too crazy. Just a couple things on the little stupid stuff on the car, and I'm gonna get a car wash. That's about it. Yeah, that lighting hitting good or not? Nope. That lighting, how that? Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so like y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do, things like that. We're trying to get to 200 subs, you know. Start off small, nothing too crazy. Tell a friend to tell a friend, share, like, comment, subscribe, for sure. For sure. Hit that thumbs up. And yeah, thumbs up, definitely. Alright? Yeah, let's go. Made it to the car wash. Car wash jumping right now. Car wash rocking. Not gonna get too crazy with the wash. This is just a little spray down. I don't wanna get too crazy, guys. Man, I don't even think oh, okay. It worked. Oh. Hold on. Yeah. This is my right shit. Just gonna get the look. Yeah. Pre-soap. All Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's a little vlog, you know, something different. Probably gonna start doing more vlogs and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it for this one. Give me the 200 subs. I know we could do it. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys want to see. And yeah, like always, like, comment, subscribe, guys. And yeah, we out here. I've been putting that shit on since a young nigga, yeah.